How to fix Snapchat app camera rotate problem on your Android and iOS device. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Is your Snapchat camera stuck in the wrong orientation? Whether you are an Android or iOS user, I have got the final solution to fix this problem quickly. So let's get started. First, make sure auto rotate is enabled on your phone. On Android, swipe down the notification panel and tap the auto rotate icon. And on the iOS device, swipe down from the top right corner and turn off the orientation lock. Next, restart Snapchat. Close the app completely and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. Next, clear cache. For Android users, clearing the cache can help. Go to Settings, tap on Application, then select Snapchat and go to Storage and clear your cache. Don't worry, this won't delete your chats or memories. Next, update Snapchat. An outdated app can have bugs. So open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Snapchat and update the app to the latest version. Next, reinstall Snapchat. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. This ensures a fresh start with no corrupted files causing the issue. And that's it. One of these steps should fix your Snapchat rotation problem for good. If this video helped you, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.